Hi everyone, myself Shamsia Sohebu. Today I'll be explaining addition of three-digit numbers using column method. Before coming to the column method, that is adding the numbers, we will see how we can add the same using number blocks so that the idea of addition will be more concrete. So when you look, this is the ones, that is you are having ones, number 1, 2, 3, and here you are having the block as a tens group. So in each block there will be 10, like 10 numbers, 1, 2, 3, up to 10 numbers. Okay, 10 ones will be there. And when you look this hundreds, you can see total there are how many numbers here. A total of 100 will be there in each block in a set. Okay, now we will see how can we add this. We start adding from the ones. So how many are there? How many ones are there? The number given here is 416. So 4 hundreds, 1 tens and 6 ones. Same way 379 means 3 hundreds, 7 tens and 9 you have ones. So when you add the numbers, we start adding the ones first. Okay. So how many ones are there? A total of 6 and 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When you add it in such a way, you are having a 10 here. You got a 10. So this 10 can be placed in the tens set because it comes as one block of tens. Correct? So we can place this, move this 10 to the next place. Correct. And what is the remaining ones over there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So that 5 we will write here. So how we are writing 5 and this total of 15 are there. So 5 you write here, but the 10 you are moving to the tens place. So that becomes, it is counted here as how many tens are there here now? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So when you write it in the tens place, it becomes 9. Is that clear all of you? So when you are counting the ones, the number in the ones place, if it is more than 9, if it comes 10, that one set of 10, you move it to the tens place and so on. Now we can check the number in the hundreds place. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you will write here as 7. This is how actually you are adding the numbers, and this is how carryover of 1 is coming. Without the number block, when you add it, simply when you're adding the numbers, it will come in such a way. You add 9 plus 6, which is 15. So that 5, 15. So 5 you write it in ones place, and this 1 you write here as carryover. You're carrying it to the next number. So then in the tens place, when you add 7, 8, 9, you write it here. Okay, it's like a column. You're writing immediately the down, you're writing it. So that's why you call it even as a column method, because in the same column you're writing that number. Then what is coming in the hundreds place? 4 plus 3, which is 7. So your answer is 795. I'll show you one more example because I want to explain it again with a number block. So we will see the number in the ones place. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So we'll write it as 8 because it's not more than, it's not 10 or more. Correct? If it is one set of 10 we are getting, we will move it to the tens place. But no. Now we will add the tens place. In tens place there is 5 and then 6. Okay, we will see how many it will come when we add it. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You look, again I got a 10 here. So 10 tens are 100. I should move it to hundreds place. It will come as one block in hundreds place. So that 10 I have to move it to hundreds place. And how many tens are left? 1. Correct? So that 1 I will write here. And this 10 is moved to hundreds place. So now we will check in hundreds place. How many hundreds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is how you're getting the answer as 418. So when you just look the numbers, we will add it in the ones place. So 4 plus 4 becomes 8 and 6 plus 5 becomes 11. So that 1 you write it here And the next one, you're giving it to the hundreds place as I gave this hundreds block. So then in the hundreds place, it becomes 2, 3, 4. So like that, you're getting 418. Some students may have a confusion. Okay, why I'm writing 1 here? What is that carryover and all? It's actually coming in this way. Hope it's clear now. So now we will just add two numbers using column method without the number blocks. Just writing it same way because it's not easy to draw a number block always and find the answer. Correct? So we'll just write it this way. Okay, so we will start adding from the right side, that is the ones place. 8 plus 5, which is 13. As I told you, 13, 3 we will write, and this 10 we will move to the tens place. So here it will come in the tens place. So 7 plus 3, which is 10, plus 1, which is 11. Again, that 1 we will write it here, and the next one we will move it to the hundredth place. So this becomes 6 plus 2, 8, plus 1, that is 9. It's very easy now, right? Addition is very easy. We'll see one more example. So here the answer is 913. We'll discuss one more question. 509. We have to add 674. Again, we start with the right side, that is the number in the ones place. So 9 plus 4 is 13. I can't simply write 13 here. Instead, I should write 3. And the 1, I move it to the next, that is the tens place. So 1 will come here. So 7 plus 1 is 8. 0, no need to add, right? Then here in hundreds place, 6 plus 5, which is 11. So here I can write it because there is no carryover. Next number is not here. So I can just put it down. So it becomes 1183. This is the actual logic behind addition using the number blocks. I hope you got the logic. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day ahead.